So you're a cosplayer and you want your photos to look like this. But if you're like me, you got a background like this and you want to hide it. Don't worry, I got you. I'm here to teach you how to edit your photos like this for free in under 2 minutes. Right off the bat, we're going to remove the background. What you're going to do is you're going to hop onto IbisPaint and completely erase the background, using a soft brush at 50% to slowly chip away at the corners of your photo. This will cause a slight illusion, making it seem as if the quote-unquote lighting in the background is hitting your clothes and your skin, making it seem as if you're more immersed into the photo. Then, after completely removing the background, you're going to want to hop onto Pinterest and find photos that relate to the background that you want to use. So here, I basically just searched for blue sky and for fire, and then I downloaded it and layered it behind me. Another thing I like to do is add flyaways and extra hair. I feel like this really ties everything together. It removes the majority of the shine and adds thickness to the wig, making it seem more like hair. For this cosplay, I also ended up editing the eyes. I did this by using the liquify pen on IbisPaint and shrinking my pupils and my irises. Then just using the liquify pen to turn my irises into a straight line, just like Crowley's snake eyes. Next, we go on to our second app called Epik. On Epik, I'm able to change the lighting, raise saturation, and do a lot of things like adding makeup. I really like this app because I don't really like putting on lashes, and this app really helps me get the dramatic eyeshadow look that I want for Crowley. Then finally, on PicsArt, you can add your stickers. Of course, this is a very simplified tutorial, and it's one that I use often for my other pictures. Here's a QR code for the hairbrush that I mentioned earlier on IbisPaint, and feel free to follow me on YouTube. I am currently working on a more in-depth tutorial, so hopefully this tutorial wasn't that confusing. If not, feel free to go on to my YouTube so you can be unconfused.